In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook from repeatedly asking for password. If Outlook keeps popping up that password box over and over, it usually means the stored sign-in information has gotten out of sync or a setting is forcing a prompt every time. We'll walk through 2 reliable fixes to get you back to work without the constant interruptions. First, we'll refresh your saved sign-in details using Windows Credential Manager. Open the control panel on your PC. The fastest way is to use the search bar and type Control Panel, then open it. Inside, search for Credential Manager, and open it when it appears. Choose Windows Credentials. This is where Windows stores the login tokens that Outlook uses in the background. Scroll through the list and look for entries related to Microsoft Office, Outlook, Office 365, Microsoft 365, or your email provider. Expand each relevant entry by clicking the small arrow, then select Remove and Confirm. If you see multiple entries tied to Outlook or Office, remove those as well to make sure nothing stale remains. Now, close Credential Manager and start Outlook again. Outlook will prompt you to sign in because we just cleared the cached credentials. Enter your password carefully and, if you see the option, check Remember My Credentials so Windows can store a fresh, correct token for future logins. This alone fixes the issue for most people, because it clears out the mismatch or expired information that keeps triggering the prompt. If you're using Exchange or Microsoft 365 and the prompts continue, let's review one Outlook setting that can force a sign-in every time. In Outlook, go to File, then Account Settings, and choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. Select your email account and click Change. Next, click More Settings and switch to the Security tab. Look for the option labeled Always Prompt for Logon Credentials and make sure it's unchecked. With that box off, Outlook can use your saved credentials transparently, rather than demanding them each time. Click OK, then Next and Finish, and restart Outlook to apply the change. At this point, Outlook should open, authenticate silently with your updated credentials, and stop asking repeatedly. Clearing the old entries ensures Outlook isn't trying to use outdated tokens, and disabling the Always Prompt option prevents it from interrupting you on every connection. Take a moment to confirm you can send and receive mail normally. That's it, 2 quick checks that resolve the password loop for most setups. If you found this helpful, give it a try right now and enjoy a quieter, smoother Outlook experience. Thanks for watching.